Welcome to Textile Technology Channel. Today we will learn about the Blowroom machine and what type of machine we are used in Blowroom section. Spinning is the first section of textile industry. In spinning, we made yarn from the cotton. Blowroom is the first section in the whole spinning process. By this process, we open and clean the cotton as good as possible. So, let's look at the whole unit first. The first machine is bale opener, and the second one, pre-cleaner, and the last one is mixer. Number 1. Bale opener. Cotton fibers are come to the factory as a form of bale. This cube beside the machine is bale. This is the compressed form of cotton, so that manufacturing company can send more and more cotton. This bale opener machine can move from fast to the last of the bale and make small tuft with its roller tube. Let's look at their machine instruments. There are some motor inside this machine. One is the bale opener move fast to last, beside the bale row. The other one is to rotating the bale head. And one is to move the bale head up and down, so that it can come closer to the cotton bale. Another one is to run the roller tooth. And there is an inverter to control the motor. And motors are run with the signal of PLC. PLC give this control signal to the inverter. Number 2. Pre-cleaner. After opening the cotton, this go to the pre-cleaner with a pipe. And this pre-cleaner used to remove trash and any other impurities available in the tuft. And if there is any big tuft available in the cotton, it make it small and produce a good quality yarn. There is an inverter to control the motor of the roller. Number 3. Mixer. Mixer is a large section of blowroom machine. There is different kind of cotton in the tuft, and mixer mix this. And it also makes cotton with color. There is an inverter to control the conveyor belt. Control section. There is a communication in whole unit. Like if carding machine need any cotton, this carding machine gives signal to PLC, then PLC run the blowroom section, unless the machine remains off. There is a HMI to control every unit. If there is any problem or alert given by the HMI machine, will turn off automatically. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.